Well, I made it to Florida. I'm a little tired. It's a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful day here by the water. It's the Jensen Beach Causeway where everybody's meeting. The RX-8 made it. So I'm gonna head over here and meet a bunch of drone people. I think I'm about to see Jim Beauchart.
Oh, hi, how you doing?
Hey, bud. How you doing, man? It's the Beauchart. Hey! You know what? I was hoping I'd be taller than you. I was hoping.
I hear.
Because you know what? Jeff Sills is taller than me. You wouldn't think that, but he is. Isn't that crazy?
I'm 5'6.5", and you didn't know you could pile that high. It's the knucklehead. Hello, eh?
Did you say knuckleheads? I love it. I love it. When was the last time you had maple syrup?
Yesterday morning. Yeah.
Of course, you too?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful, warm Florida day. So you know that Tammy Jean is going to be sporting her 9-piece.
My 9-piece?
Yeah, oh, looking good, girl. Oh, hell, it's Tammy Jean. Oh, look
that?
Ooh, I like that tripod.
Very nice.
Yes.
Oh, the sun, though. Gosh, the sun. I
Well,
gotta be in the shade.
Well, we have to face the sun to get the proper lighting.
I'm reflective, Ken.
You're reflective?
Yeah, the white skin, it's too much.
Have we met before?
No.
This is it right now?
This is our very first meeting, and you're already talking about my 9-piece. I think it's inappropriate.
You're right. I feel terrible, but you smell good. So what's your shirt say? Come on, man. We all know. And you fly what?
Bye.
Okay. This is Steve from South Florida Drones.
What's up?
And I think you brought all the drones, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You brought them all.
My goodness. What do you do with all this? You have all the... This is why I can't find a battery, because you have them all.
This is Simba. Simba 1, Simba 2, Simba 3.
You got all this stuff to spy on the neighbor's daughter?
No. All for business. All for business.
Not the funny business.
No.
Right. Oh my goodness, look, it's Jenna. Jenna C.
Hey, and I'm with Ken.
We're not in Tennessee.
Not yet.
No. Are you going to live there?
We're trying.
Are you really? Of all the places? No, she says no.
No, she is not. She is staying in upstate New York.
Oh, okay. You're going to stay in New York then, right?
But well, Barkley says, he had the chant going, Genesee and Tennessee.
I mean, you have to live in a state that rhymes with your name. Isn't that the law?
I think so.
Hey, Barkley.
Have we met?
How you doing, buddy?
What's up, Ken?
Hey, man. What are you doing here? This is a drone meet.
I'm slumming.
Okay. Billy Kyle. Yeah. Can I touch your eyebrows? Well, now, why would you wear sunglasses like that to block the eyebrows? Your best feature. Put the glasses back on. Look, he's blocked them. You can't see his prowess. Let's call it prowess. Your brow prowess is prowess. I don't. Oh, look. No, but you don't wear. Look, you're mine. Yeah, okay. I'll wear the. I'm the NASCAR driver. See, look at that. The brows are in full display. Right? Much better. Look at me. Look, I'm like, can you take me to the pharmacy? Here we are at the, South Florida drone meet thing? Let's go meet the people. Look at Tammy Jean. It's old Tammy Jean. Did it almost get me?
Almost got your hair.
Let's see who's this here. It's so windy right now.
It is.
I got a remote ID error.
He's playing with the phone.
It's Rob. It's Jimmy J. Whoa, whoa. It's a beautiful day out. Hello, sir. I am going to fly in somebody's face with this wind.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Off the palm trees yesterday.
Hey.
I was gusting to 35.
Let's see, Genesee, is she flying? I don't want to interrupt her piloting because that's be an FAA violation.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot of people here today. Oh, yeah. Somebody brought a windsock.
Yes.
All right, I want to land in the windsock. Are you watching this on your phone?
I'm watching on your phone.
Okay. Let's go this way and see who we got. We got these guys here. We got, oh, that's a nice goatee right there. I don't know. Let's go over this way.
Heads up, people.
I'm just gonna fly in your face. I am gonna fly in someone's face. She doesn't look very happy about this. Oh, hey, it's Kelly. Kelly. And somebody with a pink drone. That's cool. Look at that. Look at this guy. Hey.
Bob Dempsey's wife.
Hey.
They're the old farts.
And is this? Oh my goodness! I'm gonna crash for real.
Yep.
Hey, it's the captain. And we got people here from. Is anybody filming my face?
I can film your face.
No, because I have a bit of snot coming down.
Oh, well.
I didn't want that in 4K. 4K
I
snot.
wasn't focusing on your face, so
Let's see. Ooh,
I
ooh,
can't.
ooh! What are these giant birds? What are these giant birds?
Okay, pelicans, you got them?
I want to get a pelican. No pelican for me. All right. Let's go up to the bridge and say hi to these people who are just watching. Who are these people? Hey guys.
Oh, look at that. I see them up there. They're like, what the hell is that?
I will show you very quickly. There is a small TFR in place. I will show you exactly where it is. Oh, the pelican! Pelican! Oh, I wish I had my 5-inch quad going. I could catch that son of a bitch. So there's a very small TFR happening, very localized TFR over this car, right here. The Mazda. There's a. So don't fly over that. Can I knife edge this? I don't think I can because it's so much wind. I'm not gonna risk it. No, because then I have to walk all the way over there. I'm super lazy. Yeah. All right, let's see. This is our meet here today, and there's Florida, beautiful weather. It's windy. We got the what are these trees called? Palm trees, right? Is that what they're called? I don't know what they're called. I was born in Florida, so I should know.
You don't got these trees in Tennessee?
No. If they are, they were stolen from Florida. Let's see if I can go in here with all this wind. Attention, attention, I might crash on you. I know, it's, almost in, oh no, oh no! Oh no, impact detected. Somebody gonna set me up? Somebody pick me up! Somebody is stealing me. It's Beauchart! Freaking Beauchart, leave it to the Canadians. Put me down, Beauchart! Put me down! Beauchart still thinks the drone has a microphone on it. Oh, I'm on a launch pad. Sensor error. Motor starting. There we go, and we're back. All right. All right. And we got somebody putting on suntan lotion. Hey, how you doing? Oh man, look at that handsome devil.
If I'd have known it was yours, I would have taken it home.
I'm gonna get you, Beauchart. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. So it's a lovely day here. I hope I got everybody in this. I hope I got everybody. Hello, everybody. Oh, okay. Photobomb. Barkley. Dennis. I'm going to get in Barkley's face. Oh! You son of a gun! You
He nabbed it?
He grabbed me.
Cat-like reflexes.
Oh, Barkley. And we got the first victim of the winds. Let's see who we got here. Let's say hello to everybody. It really is, you know, these meets are a great place to just meet everybody and talk and have fun. You don't necessarily have to fly to have fun, especially on a windy day like this. Let's get in here. Hook a donut on it. And we got, oh no, oh, I'm down again. Good thing it's rugged. Did it break? It broke. I'm done. Is somebody gonna help me out?
Danger, just what you want to put on
Who's? Hey, put me down! Put me down! I don't know.
Johnny drove.
Oh, Johnny.
Barkley grabbed it.
Come on, Johnny, put me down. Put me down, Johnny. How about right side up? Flip it over. Come on. Does he really not know? Flip it over.
It's not an air too much.
It's upside down. Thank you. Battery installation. I gotta walk. The battery's out. It's still recording though. I gotta go over there. Battery installation error. Battery installation error. Make sure the battery's in. There we go. Put me down. Put me down.
Assholes flying near me.
Put me down.
Thrown out of the air.
Oh shit.
Oh, you got a broken prop.
That's not.
Why?
I hear it buzzing.
Ah! The person that picked up my drone put their finger in there, and they broke my propeller, and they also broke their finger. Hello, person. Come over here. Come over here. So the sun glistens on your.
I have a bag in my car.
Look at that. So you picked up a drone that was on with your finger in the props.
Yes.
Maybe he should just stick to comedy. All right.
Yeah.
Jimmy J.
They do things differently in Canada, I guess. No one to blame but yourself there, Beauchart.
I didn't cry.
No, he didn't cry. But you owe me a prop.
You owe me stitches.
You sure you're okay?
I think I need some medication.
There's some medicine in the cabinet, in the medicine cabinet.
Over here?
Yeah, right down here.
You got a nice setup.
Yeah. Where is it? There it is. There you go. Drink liberally. Apply to affected area. He'll be all right. 3 more of these and we'll see Uncle Medium. It's Ken.
It's Ken.
Ken Bookends.
Ken squared.
You look.
I look pretty real. I've been on the road since.
No, I was gonna say you look cooler than me.
No. You know what it is? Now I'm not as cool. You have white hair. I'll dye my hair white.
No, it's there though.
Could it be the sunglasses?
You look like Joe Cool. Like you'd be at home on the back of a motorcycle.
Yeah,
as you would
with a hairy chest.
Lead singer of a band. Me.
Oh yeah.
I'm a narc.
What'd you do?
I'm a chaperone. This is.
You do look like a
middle-aged
social studies teacher.
I do.
You are. You were a social studies teacher.
I am. Damn it, Ken.